Hi friends, welcome to Communication Skill Enhancement Practice. Imagine a day where you have been selected and shortlisted and you have to give an interview. You have reached the place and you are entered in the room. Interviewer asked to sit down. You have just sit down and interviewer asked you, okay, Mister, tell me about yourself. He has he has your resume is in his hand, so he know everything about you. Your then normally people what do, they just recall what they have written in the resume. Sometimes they forget, sometimes they just struggle to answer all the things. So what is at that point the response of the interviewer will be very the way he will think that you are not confident. If you are not confident just about telling yourself, then how can we be the fit for the company? So the interview will reject and next will not ask you for next question. He say you may go now. So important thing, we all know that most of the time the interviewer asks, tell me about yourself or interview yourself. At that moment, what I have learned from mentor, that we should take this question as how can you add value in our company. Don't just tell about your background, your family background, what you like to do, what is hobbies, what do your fathers do, how many brothers and sisters you have. That will not any impact on the interviewer. That will not add value to him, because he want to know how much value, how much you are fit to this company. How can you learn the skills and how can you implement the skills? How can we make company benefited? So this is a practice which we need to do. First, we should have a written answers. We should practice the written answer. We should write the answer. Then we should show the answer to some senior person, because what they feel the answer is right or wrong. Then we can review it. You can review your answer on LinkedIn. Yes, we can review it privately. We can give the video answer and we can review it. So we can get some feedback also. You can get the feedback, you can make video of that answer, show it to some close person and get some feedback also. So making practice, getting feedback from other person, that will help to crack at that time the interview, because at that time you don't have any option to try and errors. You have to give the right answers. So at that time, what I feel, I have learned from my mentors that you should have five points. At the start, you can say thank you for giving the opportunity to introduce myself. But at the 5 points are about me. 1 point about me. My name is Ranjan Kumar Nandi. If somebody is asking, only introduce for yourself. If he is asking, Ranjan, tell me about yourself or introduce yourself, then I am a production engineer, or I am doing this, and I have experience of these products. For me, I am a production specialist having experience in panels, boiler pressure parts like panels, coils, headers and other burner assemblies, other critical assemblies, and also experience in pressure vessels, columns, towers and heat exchangers. I have also worked in sites for 3 months for erection work. Then all 3 points is 3 strengths and success stories, like achievements. After introduction, 3 strengths and success stories. The first, for me, I have been able to reduce cycle time of these products by doing rework and reduction, sequence modifications, productivity improvement, quality improvement, rework reductions, multi-skillings, motivation and inspiration. I have been able to achieve the critical targets of this amount of targets, where the average is this, by sequence modifications, multi-skillings, bottleneck identification, bottleneck improvements, motivating and inspiring people, providing resource at right time by proper planning, raw material planning, by proper planning, we have been able to provide the resource on time, so that the work, there is no idle hours, the idle hour is minimized. We have do multiple tasks, parallel tasking at that same work, so that it cycle time reduced drastically. So that will help. So I have able to reduce cycle time, I have able to achieve the targets, I have able to reduce non-value added activities by implementing lean tools, 5S and other lean tools, by promoting Kaizen culture. I have able to organize the thing, workplace, reduce the non-value added activities. That is also help to improve productivity. So these three things I feel is important for me. Then we should think which things you have done is important and will be add value to the company. The work you have done in your past work is a reflection that how you work in this company. So at this the way, and at the end you can say that I am excited to work in your organization, and I hope my candidature will be accepted to you. What do you think, sir? You can ask small questions. What is your opinion, sir? Because sometimes we have to control the interview by asking questions. Because when we ask question, the interview has to reply. And when we ask questions, the interviewer has to reply the same way. He cannot ask other questions. He have to answer. Then you can ask other question also. He have to answer. Then you can, after he is answering, if he is not happy, then you can add more. You should add more success stories, another 2-3 success stories in a bucket. You show that I have all this. I have done all these things. I have done all these learnings. My courses, I have learned, this is new courses. I am also a continuous learner. I learn continuously. I improve myself for the growth of myself also, and also I implement for the growth of organization. So this type of success stories, if we are adding our more strength part to him and try to question 2-3 questions rather than just giving answers. So I feel this will work. And I am practicing this. You can get feedbacks from these videos. You can make video and get feedback from other persons. So practicing it, daily practice, please practice daily to improve your communication. Because daily practice improve your communication, and small improvement will boost your confidence.